Hey everyone, welcome back to another Lift and Shift episode. So today we're gonna discuss about what makes a good developer or software engineer. So throughout my career, I've seen and working with a lot of developers. Some are very talented, some are average, and some of them need a lot of development. But among all the good and excellent software developers that I work with, like principal dev, architect, senior architect, they all share the common characteristics. So the first one that I think is very crucial to be a good developer is being consistent in everything. So this basically means that you not necessarily need to follow all the new practices in software world. All you have to do is just be consistent with the code base, and because the way they work is that they're very consistent in the way they structure their code and structure the project, and that make all the developers within the team follow very easily, and later on they're gonna apply new practices, not necessarily the best to the code base, but as long as they're being consistent with their approach, their thinking, and as well as their code style, that make everyone in the team so clear about the direction and how to apply new code for every features to fit the standard of the code base. So these kind of developers so easy to work with because they're so predictable. So predictability is something that I really like, and this is because it's enable everyone in the team to follow the same approach, and anything happen we can easily detect it and apply necessary fix or changes. And the second characteristic I want to mention is good developers have a really clear logical reasoning. I can show you an example. So all the new developers I saw these days try to apply all the new tags, but they don't really have any clear logical pros and cons about what technology they're gonna pick. All they talk about is that this is good, but no clear explanation for it. So most of the good developers who got an excellent logical reasoning are the senior architect or principal dev within the team. But these people not technically code a lot, but the way they structure their thinking and express themselves, and they weigh out all the pros and cons of the approach or the tech framework, is so clear, so stick to the points that make you think that, wow, this guy got a really detailed thoughts about certain things or certain framework that I haven't think about like that. So these come with a lot of practices, and most often or not, these people got, every time they hear about the new feature, they already have a well thought out plan and what we need to do, all kind of stuff, so that they can organize a team to follow all the necessary steps in order to complete the features or apply a new framework or technologies. So these kind of developers are crazy good, crazy valuable to work with and learn from. And similar to that is the clear communication. So communication, like we all know, is vital for all roles within organization, even in any fields in society these days. Being clear about what you want and what you want to transfer information to the other people, it make everyone so organized and so understand your point a lot better. And most of the time I work in a company, 90% of the time I have to talk to product owner, designers, and other developers. By being clear about what I want and what I expect from other people, that kind of set there's certain expectation between me and other developers, or other product owner or designers. And because of that, when you have a clear communication and clear understanding between each other within the team, you can complete your goal or team's OKR a lot faster and without any risk in terms of quality or of risk on the features not being done on time. So to sum up, if you have all these characteristics, I think you're really good developers. There are no such best practices in this world. The best practices is the one that fits your team. And if your team being consistent about your thinking and approach, I bet your code base is so nice and so easy to follow. And as well as if you have logical reasoning really well, then you can save a lot of time deciding what architecture for certain features need to be, and you're gonna save a lot of time structure your code or projects or break down tasks for the team members. Again, very vital. Clear communication is a must, even in personal life. Being clear about something that you want and what you want people to know from you, so vital. Thanks again, guys. If you like this episode, give me a like and thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next week.